Hi, it's Joy from Enjoy It Healthy, and I have a recipe that you will love for fall. It's a warm fall salad, and it's hearty, and it's an entree in itself. You can certainly serve this as a side dish for something else, but I think this is a perfect main course. In this dish, we have savory and sweet. We've got a nice crunch. We've got the whole rainbow of vegetables. It's vegan, it's keto friendly, and it's so tasty. To make our Lemon-Tahini dressing, I put the soaked cashews in the VITAMIX, and we're gonna add a couple things. This is very similar to my pizza white garlic pizza sauce, which you can see right here, makes it great. It's a little bit different, but kind of the same concept. Okay, so we've got the juice of 1 lemon. We've got a 1/4 cup of organic tahini. We've got 2 tablespoons of our Muscle Power by Your Super. It's gonna add some protein, has no flavor, there's no sweetener or anything in it, so it kind of is going to thicken that dressing up. We've got 2 minced cloves of garlic. And I have a cup of water here, but we're gonna start off with like 1/2 cup first, and we'll see how much we need. I will add a little bit of salt, nice big pinch, and a couple turns of pepper there, and let's get that going and see if we need to add more water. That now is more the consistency of the pizza sauce, so I'm gonna add the rest of our water. I'm just gonna pour this in a mason jar because we won't use all of it. And it will refrigerate beautifully, and you can use it on another salad on a different day. One of the elements in this warm salad are roasted vegetables. So I used butternut squash and those beautiful Easter egg radishes. And I diced them up about the same size, and then I drizzled about a tablespoon of olive oil, salt and pepper, and I roasted them at 400 degrees for 30 minutes, and they come out like this. So when I prepared the radishes, I just lopped off the radish greens, but don't waste those. Those are great sauteed with a little olive oil and garlic, and they're super nutritious. I think my favorite part of this salad would definitely be the caramelized Brussels sprouts and onions. So we're gonna do that in a cast iron skillet. We've got some fresh corn off the cob, which we'll throw that in at the end. I have my Dino Kale, like I destemmed them and chopped them like almost like a julienne, and I have my organic arugula as well. So those are raw, and you want everything prepped, and you want the last step to really be assembling it with the hot charred vegetables, and that's gonna wilt all of these beautiful things. Now let me see it. This is super heavy, so let me see if I can get this out there. On there. So we're just going to put that on. Make sure you don't burn yourself. You're gonna get a nice facial there too. Oh, that's heavy. Okay. So then we have that. We have our roasted vegetables as well. I'm going to slide those on there. Okay. And then we have a couple of other elements that are going to provide sweetness and crunch. So we've got some pomegranate kernels. Oh, so pretty. It just looks like fall. And we've got some sprouted pumpkin seeds. That's going to provide a nice crunch. Okay, I hope you'll try this warm fall salad and maybe bring it to your Thanksgiving gathering. Thanks so much for watching.